Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check and see what's inside the BeautyFix by Dermstore February box. Hey everybody, so this is a few days after the video that you're about to see. So yesterday I got an email that I had a Dermstore delivery on the way and I was like, I just got my box the other day and my first thought was they had sent me the January box for my BeautyFix box instead of the February, even though I resubscribed in February. I was really hoping that wasn't the case because that was really going to upset me. But then I thought, well, maybe there was a free gift with my resubscribing and maybe that's what it is. So I got home and I had this box, this size box, this exact box waiting for me when I got home. And what, to my surprise, did I get? So I got a box full of packing paper. I took out all the packing paper and this is what was in my box, a coupon. So yeah, I got an entire box for this piece of paper coupon from Dermstore. So I have absolutely no clue why they didn't put a stamp on this, mail it as a card, do something different besides waste all this packaging, waste all the paper filler, waste the actual shipping cost that this costs versus an actual just flyer in the mail. It blows my mind, but I wanted to share with you this situation because I thought it was at the very least humorous and then at the very worst a little sad that they're that wasteful. I really hope that doesn't speak to the economy of the rest of the company, that they throw their money away like that to send this and then we get the charges for that when we place orders. I don't know, but yeah, a whole box for this. So now you can see the review for the box that I got a few days ago. Bye. If you are not familiar with BeautyFix by Dermstore, it is a monthly subscription that's obviously put out by Dermstore. They are an online company that has all kinds of wonderful skincare products. This box is going to range in price per month depending on whether you pay each month, pay up front for a certain number of months, or get a certain number of months ordered and pay for those months at a time. So there's several different options depending on how many you want and if you're going to pay ahead for them or pay as you go for them. It starts at $24.95 per box and then kind of goes down from there depending on the number of boxes that you order, the number of boxes that you prepay for, and so on. So I will leave the link below for you to check it out. There is always some really good value in here. I stopped getting this box for a while just because I was becoming so waterlogged with all the skincare and things. I just did not need to keep getting this one, so I canceled it last year. I went ahead and resubscribed for a couple of reasons. One is it is a really great box. The value that you get in here is really good. When I first did my very first round of 3 months of this, you guys may remember it was a little dramatic because the value wasn't there. It was a bunch of tiny samples. It was horrible. They were going through some kind of slump, I guess. They have picked it up. You're getting a lot more full-size products in here. The value is always really, really good. It should be at least $100 per box of value, and it exceeds that by a lot. So I'm excited to see what's in this one. I did resubscribe for another 3 months, so we'll see how it goes. One of the reasons that I went ahead and resubscribed is because I did start selling my surplus on Mercari. I will leave a link for you guys below if you want to check it out. It's also listed under Beth Unboxes, but I have like 70 something products listed there. I've only started selling in the last few weeks, so that has helped me to be able to go ahead and repurchase boxes of products that I may or may not use myself depending on what it is and my need at that time and my sister's need at that time. We really can't just keep everything that we get. It's just not feasible for 2 people to use this many products a month. So I'm going to use what I want to use out of here, and I'm going to put the rest on my Mercari site. So if you see anything you like in here and you want to see if it's available, check out my Mercari site here in a few days because I will get it listed if I'm going to sell it. But right now, let's open this one and see what's inside. Now, as we do go through this box, if you do enjoy my videos and you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. If you like this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. In our BeautyFix box, they come like this every month, so you're going to have the boxes are always the same. It has black crinkles inside, and then the products are in there. And this looks like it is stacked. There's a lot of products in here. So there is a mix of full-size, deluxe samples, and travel sizes, and then even sometimes some little bitty single-use packaging. So as we go through, I will do my very best to put the value of what we got here in the corner, especially the full-size ones. That should be super easy. Hi, everybody. I had to, this is like 2 hours after it was a second ago. That sun was just ridiculous. I got through almost the whole box and realized I had been chasing the sun. So I wanted to give the sun a chance to set a little bit and not have my face kind of have a glare. So I am going to go ahead and start going through our products again. Like I said, I went through almost everything the first time around, and I was just like, that sun is too much. So we're going to start over. So our first product is a Medicate Eye Serum, and this is the Crystal Retinol Ceramide Eye 10, and this is Smooth and Lift Eye Cream Gentle Release Vitamin A, and this is a ½ ounce. I'm sure is a full-size product. I didn't get that far in figuring stuff out when I filmed earlier, but this one is very likely a full-size product. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'll put here in the corner and we will know for sure. But this is a ½ ounce Medicate Ceramide Eye 10. Our next, what I think is a full-size product, is from Wander Beauty, and this is called Double Date. It is a lip and cheek. It's not saying duo, but I'm guessing it must be a duo. It's in Honeymoon and Swipe are our colors, and this is tap to blend with your fingertips or a brush onto lips and cheeks for hydration and luminous color. So this is not one I'm probably going to use myself. So I'll put, instead of opening it, it is sealed on both ends. I will just put a corner here from Wander Beauty of what this one, actually looks like in the colors and what I can find on that. So we'll see here what that one looks like, but I'm not going to open it. But we do have, I believe, a full-size product from Wander. Our first deluxe sample is from Skin Cuticles. And this is a 4 ml, and this is a PT10X wrinkle modulating peptide serum for contraction lines and glass skin radiance. So this is a Skin Cuticles product, and the full size is in a bottle that looks like that. The sample size is in a very tiny version of the bottle that looks like that. So this is a little bottle, but it is just a 4 ml size, and it has the little pipette squeezy thing for application. So that's cute. And I'll put the full size amount here compared to the amount we got here, and we'll get an idea of what our value is for this little sample. And this does say sample, not for resale. So this is definitely one that you would just get probably a free with purchase or something with Skin Cuticles. Our next one is from Eve Lom, and this is a ½ ounce rescue mask, and this is just going to be a deluxe sample or maybe a travel size. So this is, again, a ½ ounce size from Eve Lom, and this is a moisturizer, I believe. A rescue mask, I'm sorry. So this is going to be a mask. So this one says, it doesn't give the instructions for how to use it here, but it probably does on the website. So this is a mask from Eve Lom. Our next one is from R & Co, and this is Waterfall Moisture and Shine, and this says lotion, hydration, and brilliance. Generally, R & Co is a hair product, so I can't read how this is used. I would assume it's also a hair product, but in case R & Co does skincare, I'll put here in the corner what it is. But if it's a full size, if it's a sample of a hair product, the full-size R & Co's are generally around $30 for 8 ounces, and this looks like it's about a ½ ounce, so it's not a high-value sample, but we do have an R & Co sample. Our last sample size product in this box is from La Roche-Posay, and this is Dry to Extra Dry Skin, Body and Face, and this is a Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash, Lipicar AP Plus Wash. So this is going to be looks like a half an ounce sample for this product. So again, this box is $25 if you don't get any kind of discounts on it. We got 6 total products, 2 of which I believe are full size, and then we got 4 sample sizes. So I'm very sure, if not just for the Medicaid, that we very much got our anticipated value for this box, but I'll give the best running total I can for the value of this box. Again, they advertise it should have $100 or more value. Now, I've had that easily in previous boxes, so I'm not worried about it. If something happens that surprises me and this box is not worth $100, we'll discuss that in the next video. But we have three boxes, so this is the first of 3 BeautyFix boxes that we will have. Next 2 months we'll have another couple, depending on how I am enjoying the new products for this year. I will probably continue it, but we'll find out. What I might do is rotate out 3 months at a time of different boxes that I've either had before and canceled, or ones that I have considered getting and haven't yet, just to get some variety and change stuff up a little bit as we go. So we'll see how that works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future videos. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Talk to you next time. Bye.